laptop. Oh,
Okay.
cool. Yeah.
Okay.
So you just don't close it. Basically, if you
Okay.
close it, then it's going to stop. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. All right. Right. Let's get started. Hello, everyone. Today is October 30th, 2024. This is the Kubernetes data protection working group meeting. Okay, so today let's just go over status of a few projects that we are working on. So how are you doing with CPT?
Prasad's in the to-do section, his PR is out of draft mode. It's there.
Oh,
Uh,
this one, this
yeah,
one, right? Yeah,
right.
maybe I should change this to a different color. This might be a little confusing because we don't know which one. Maybe we'll change this to let's see. I'll change to red, meaning it's pay attention until it's merged, then we can change the color. Right. So those are PRs that need reviews. So this one, okay. Ben, I also assigned this one to you. So this is a CSI test, right? This is the one.
Yeah.
Ben, if you
Yeah.
time to take a look, it will be good as well. This is the CSI. This
Uh,
is the, oh no, not this. Oh, sorry. I thought it's CSI test. It's not
That,
CSI.
uh,
Oh, it's
that
implement this
kind
one.
of, yeah, that is
Right. I see. Okay. Implement this one basically we just need like a sample driver, right? So we use host path as an example. This way people can take a look and see how they can do that in their driver. So then that's
but what does it actually do?
it
Like,
extends the CSI host path driver to support the snapshot metadata interface so that we can use it for development testing.
right, but I mean, obviously it can't actually support it. So like, what are we doing instead?
Oh, actually, it does. Prasad has code there which does a diff between two snapshots, the two fake snapshots, right? I think they create two files. I haven't looked at the details.
just like compare the files,
Yeah, he
something like
compares the
that.
files and comes out.
Oh, okay. So we can take a closer look. Yeah, I also like to take a look and see.
Well, what format is the snapshot in?
I don't know.
So this is just like a file. It's like a zip file folder, something like that.
Something like that.
I know,
Yeah.
I know,
I
but
think it's like
like,
a zip. Mm.
but the whole principle of the CVT feature is that you have a block file
Right.
system
This
underneath,
is probably
and
not
that
really.
some backup tool will come
Yeah.
in and read the blocks and
Right. This
store
is
it in a
probably.
proprietary format.
I think this is not that. I
Yeah,
can't.
I
Basic.
mean, I get it that
Yeah.
for
We probably
testing
want
we
to
just need
just
like a
maybe
hacky thing.
you probably want to add some some comments. Just clearly say, hey, don't do this in your production, something like that, right? Because this is not real. Not real the block, right? It's not the same.
No, it's not the same, but it's just
It's a
reading the
sample.
prompt.
Yeah. I'm just saying, just say this is a sample driver. Don't do this in
Yeah, I
production.
mean, yeah, it's a PR. I put my comments
Can
into
you
it.
ask him ask him to do, this is your PR or is this a person? But yeah,
Prasad's PR.
anyway, yeah, if you can ask him to add some comments, just some big comments saying, hey, don't do this in production. This is not for production. This is just like an example sample because people sometimes look at this one because they want to learn how to do this, right? They probably think this is the
Yeah,
example. They're doing this in production, then
I
you
can't
should.
tell you how many people show up in the Slack channels and they're like they're trying to run one of these test drivers in production and they don't understand why it doesn't work. And
Yeah.
it's like, man, you know,
Hmm.
you're going to be really disappointed
So
if you try
a
to
lot of
run these
people,
drivers in
yeah, also a lot
production.
of people use this for demo. I mean, it may be okay for demo because it's just they don't have
Yeah, I
a
think
good,
that's a good, decent
yeah.
comment to put there. Yeah.
We need we need some like big warning or something somewhere. Even in the PR description to say that.
Yeah.
Maybe like when we release this, right? When we release this host pass driver, we need to have that
Sure.
printed
Yeah,
out.
yeah, it's a PR, right? You guys, if you have
I
time.
know. Yeah, we can add our comments. I think I see Ben's point. It just
Oh, I agree. Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
yeah, it could people they end in trouble. Then they say, oh, this is because you give us this example. Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah,
So,
but it's still good to have some example because this
yeah,
way we can always test this one. We don't have to have like external driver, right? To
Yeah,
test
so
the change.
right. And then on remain on other items, right? So we have a work item to write the example for a app vendor to follow. Um, that
Oh,
haven't started yet, but we're going to work on that. And I don't know
okay.
if you guys are aware, but right, we're experiencing all sorts of weird CI related problems at this point. But again, I'm not, let's not do it over here.
Where? I'm sorry, where are you saying? What
Oh,
CRD?
in the repo, the depender bot
Oh, oh,
created things are all getting hung on some trivial vulnerability
oh,
scan
oh,
update,
so some
etc.
of those are okay. So I know there is one problem that's kind of yeah, it's happening. I see that happening in other repos. It's kind of annoying. I don't know why.
Yeah. I
Is
mean, this
this the
particular
like the
one, I just
is
tried
that the
to,
download? Is the download error? Download
yes,
something.
yes, yes. I just tried to restart
I
it, but it,
I
it
don't,
never, no, it
yeah.
never runs this again. That's the problem. It
So
never runs this one again. So
I
it,
think I think if you rerun fail test, it kind of pass, right? Sometimes passed. No, you rerun this one. Sometimes it passed, I think, but I don't know why it happened a lot. Um, yeah, I don't know if this is happening
no, I
everywhere.
don't actually have the same, in that pull down, I don't think I have the same
Oh,
permissions.
you don't? You can't do this? Okay.
No,
I
I did
didn't.
not. I
Okay,
don't
you can
have
try.
a rerun option in wherever I see. So,
Oh, okay. But you can always do, I think if you like retest or something to should run the
so
fail
how
test,
did you get to
right?
that menu, Shin?
So if you go here,
Correct,
uh, oh, it's already started. Okay, you go to details,
correct.
but I think right now, oh yeah, comes here. Then
Yeah, you
right
just
now,
had the menu there, right? Yeah,
huh?
I
You
did
don't
not
have this?
have the menu. Yeah,
Maybe you're not the admin?
probably
I thought
not. Yeah.
I added you folks said that. No, okay. Oh, take her to see.
Yeah,
Maybe that's
okay, so that's good. You read
yeah,
that.
you
Yeah,
can do this, and I think if you do a like retest or something, it should.
retest. Okay, I'll try retest if this fails. But yeah, I did okay to
Okay.
test again, but it doesn't. It skips that one.
Oh, okay. Hmm. Yeah,
Okay.
that's a weird one. I see this happening. I don't know why it has this download failure, but then you rerun it and pass. It's kind of really strange.
Yeah. Anyway, that we'll take that offline. CI related. So yeah, it's
Yeah, is
not.
that failing again? I don't. This keep failing. Yeah. I
Hmm.
don't know what's wrong with it because if you go look at that, looks like the image is still it is there. This is the Chivi image. It's there, so it's not like the path is wrong or something. I'm not sure why it keeps failing recently.
Okay.
This is
It's
very
fine.
recent.
We'll take it off.
Yeah,
So you don't
take
have
a
to.
look. Yeah, take a look of that. Okay, all right. So and then okay, so this one I need to take a look because I think there is a yeah weird thing is because we are I think our uh, branch is called main, but the rest of them is called master. So now there's this problem with this automatically generated script, right? So he has to make some changes so that
Correct.
it does not break other jobs.
Correct.
So yeah, I'll take a look. It looks like he pinned me saying he said he couldn't join, but he has addressed the comments. So we'll see.
Right.
So those are the two main things now, right?
Correct.
Write an example for what? For vendor? I'm sorry. Write an
For the
example for
backup vendor.
backup vendor.
Yeah. I'm just waiting on the host CSI hostpath driver to be available to test that, but
Okay.
I can
Yeah,
start
yeah,
work.
that'll be good. Yeah, just yeah. That can also be in the blog as well. So when
Exactly. Yeah, I
yeah,
wanted to write it before I write a blog. So
yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. Is the sidecar still work in progress, or should we mark this one as done? I'm not sure what's the
oh, I
status.
mean, until we get the images built, it's
Oh, okay,
work
okay.
in progress. But
Work in
definitely.
progress. Waiting, pending image.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right then. I think then other than that, we're good, right? Anything else for this for CBT?
No.
Okay. All right. So next one, group snapshot. So now I have this document. So this way we just update the document, just see what is pending. So Ben, one thing is, so this is merged, right? Can we do a release now? I think we can talk about this in tomorrow's 6:30 meeting.
I mean, we try to aim for one release per Kubernetes release.
Yeah,
I don't
because
know
the code freeze is coming, I think it's next week. So I think we're there already.
Oh God. Well, I was gonna say it takes a lot to turn the crank on a CSI spec release.
Yeah. So
Because
code freeze is next Thursday, code freeze. So we definitely can talk about the CS spec release now. But I mean, we don't have to update the in-tree one, right? Because this is the dependency is really out of tree. I mean, of course, ideally we should also update the CSS spec in Kubernetes, but that's not required. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just saying we don't have to say, hey, we have to do this one before the Kubernetes code.
So what exactly is blocked by the lack of this spec release? If nothing in Kubernetes
because
is
we
consuming
changed
this?
because we changed, remember we changed this alpha to GA, right?
Yeah.
This is the one, so we want to have that one. So right now we already have this PR, which is just using the commit ID, which is kind of okay, but we should have a release.
Okay, great. So you're saying when the current release of Kubernetes goes out, we want it to be linked to the version of the CSI spec that has the feature in beta. That's what you're saying?
I think we only need to update the one in Snapshotter, because it's not required for us to update the one inside Kubernetes, because we didn't really have direct dependency, right? That's what I'm saying.
What's the code freeze for that Snapshotter library?
Oh, this one is just, we normally do that like a few weeks after the Kubernetes release, but I think we are trying to do this early. So
okay,
like end of November. So I hope but I'm not sure.
I don't think it's realistic to get the release done in a week. If today is Wednesday and you're saying the code freeze is next Thursday.
Yeah, no. I'm just saying let's talk about it tomorrow. So if there's no objections, we can just start to work on that, right?
Yeah. We can start the process of doing a release, but it'll actually get released after the code freeze, probably.
2 weeks?
I mean, once SOD cuts the RC and starts the voting, it only needs to take a few days.
Okay.
But like we have to.
Yeah. And there's also, I know there's also KubeCon coming, so I think SOD may be busy. So let's talk to him. It's okay. It might be okay, like just to get it cut shortly after the KubeCon. Might be okay.
Okay.
Because that's
I'm okay with that.
From this, it's probably okay. So I think we can talk more tomorrow. I think we just need to get that started now. I was thinking we can wait, and then it's already coming. The code freeze will come. Yeah. So let's talk about that tomorrow. So I think and then there are a bunch of PRs. Just we are addressing those comments in the CAP, right? So those are ongoing. I think they are moving along. So we have a few things there. One thing is we need to do some more testing for the static provision. So we will need to test that. But other than that, I think we are. Oh, another thing is we are changing the. So right now the enable one group snapshot is like a flag. It's like a feature flag. Not feature flag, sorry, just like a regular flag in the sidecar and the controller. So we are changing that to a feature gate. So that means we will be enabling that by default in the future. So that's one thing that's happening. Okay. Yeah, so now we are just using this to track it, using the documents. So this way everything's together. Okay, so that, and then since we have KubeCon in 2 weeks, so the next meeting will be canceled. And okay, so do we have other topics we want to discuss? So Dave couldn't join today. I think that the white paper, I think it's probably still the same. I think he has an outline. I'm not sure if he has got a chance to update it further. Okay. So if there are no more topics, then we actually have a short meeting today.
All right.
Cool.
Sorry, I can't come to KubeCon.
Oh, yeah.
Disappointing.
Yeah.
I didn't know there was going to be as much stuff going on, or I would have planned differently.
Yeah,
Maybe next year.
Actually, there are more people going, yeah. Yeah, Saad is going, so this time definitely have more people compared to the past few KubeCons. Yeah, maybe next time. Okay. All right then. I guess that's it then. Yeah, if Carl, if you can just send me the video afterwards, I can get that uploaded.
Sure.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Xing.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.